Hey, what is up, guys? Today is Saturday and we're headed into October. So this month I'm going to be trying something new and I'll be showing you why in just a few minutes. But today what I'm going to do is do a haul from Friday when I went grocery shopping, and I'm just going to show you what I got. And this is how I plan my menu for the week, because from today going forward I'm going to be doing menus because I'm shopping on a budget. I don't got that much to work with. So I'm going to see exactly how much I can get done in a 30-day period and how much it costs so that I can know how to go for it, or like how easy it is, because the cost really isn't the problem. It's just the I guess efficiency is what I'm looking for. Efficiency. So this is my haul. Give me just a minute. I'm going to turn the camera around. Okay, so we did a menu for the week. First night was spaghetti night, and I'm also going to be adding some grocery items from the local Walmart here. We also have what is going to be steak and seafood perlo. I think it's, how do you say it, crawfish perlo. So I'm going to be using, if you watch my crawfish mukbang video, I buy these bags of crawfish, the 5-pound bag, and you can use like a cup servings of this for seafood boils and also for making other items. I'm going to take some of this and make crawfish perlo to go along with my steak that I bought. So Hitchcock's here has the pick 5, where for $20 you get 5 packs of meat. I got steak, beef tips, 2 packs of chicken, and a pack of Roger Wood sausages, so that's $20. We have eggs, some organic broccoli to go with beef and broccoli. I'm gonna also be picking up a gravy package to go along with that to make the sauce for the beef tips and broccoli, and some onions and bell pepper. Milk, lactate. I have juice, cheese. My favorite coffee is one of them. The other one is pumpkin spice. I think I showed you guys earlier. For dessert on Sunday, I have gelato, which I've never tried before. I'm going to get chocolate brownies with gelato on it to try and make a simulation of that. You know how Red Lobster will give you the brownie with the ice cream on top? It's kind of melting and it drizzles all over that. That's kind of what I want to do. I want to do like steak and seafood night. Do steak and crawfish perlo, and then do brownie and gelato for dessert. So yeah, that's my mini haul. That's all I got until I add my Walmart items to it. So I'll see you in a little bit. Alright, so this is menu for the week of October 1st to 7th. So we're just going to go ahead and label this 10, 1, 18 through 7, 18. Alright, so next. Alright, so now that we have the list all made out, we keep it pretty short. I don't do any extra annotations or decorations or anything to it. I just go ahead and save it for this week. Okay, so now we're back on app. I had to take a break a moment because of what apparently you should realize about this application is that you definitely need to be signed in before you get started. So I'm signed in. I'm going to go ahead and look at my cart again. It's not there. So the stuff that we saved, we have to start over with. So I'm just going to go ahead and go through this right quick. It is a shopping. See, now it has my name. We're doing a free grocery pickup, like placing an order. Things that I don't have from my previous trip are, and I think it's funny that this came up. We need tacos for taco night, so go ahead and add a box of those, just one. I definitely need a box of those in a size 3, but I'm going to go ahead and skip that. I need rice. And you also have to be very careful with this because the recorder for the game recorder is on the right hand side of the screen. So you want to be careful when you're searching with that. If you like to use the game screen recorder app. So we're purchasing north sides broccoli and cheese, and I want 2 of those, not 3. The other item that I wanted was juice. Look, I'm gonna check this one. I was gonna say check my my list, like things you looked up previously. It might be on there, but keep moving is what I'm gonna do. So juice, I want to get 2 of these. I like the orange one because it's one that I have not tried before, so I get 1 of those. And I think I want a blue one also, so get 1 of those. And it says it does a $30 minimum, which I don't believe in over purchasing, like if you don't want to, but yeah. So I need ranch powder. It's another reason why yeah, we'll see. This is the first time, and we'll see how the process works picking up something in store versus going ahead and just going into the store and shopping. These are $1.74. I'm going to get 2 packs of those. So for spaghetti, we need hamburger mix. I believe we don't have, not hamburger mix, hamburger powder. Not powder. Girl, I'm all over the place. Ring it in. We need hamburger. A long tray of that. For beef and broccoli, I have broccoli. I have, what is it? Stir-fried beef. I have that already. I think for spaghetti, I want to get, like I usually get the ones that are $3.78 like this, but I think I'm going to use roll sausage, this one, for that one. And then for taco night, I'm going to get another one, so there's 2 of those. So there was spaghetti night, taco night, and then for Sunday dinner, we're going to do one of those Publix meals, and I'm going to show those to you today as well. So we got 9 items in cart. We're only at $17.26, which, oh, let's go ahead and see how this works for free pickup and see if it alerts us of anything when we try to go check out. See, $30 minimum is listed at the bottom. Other things that I need are big 60 cookies, like 1 pack of those, and drinks. I can't spell 60 cookies. So search for that one. And I like lemon. Let's see if they have lemon. If they don't, I'll just get something else. But I like lemon big 60s. Try to get the most money for, you know, try to get the most bang for your buck. Either way, Publix is actually better at these because they have the Mickey Mouse limited edition Oreos on sale. Buy one, get one free. Okay, so lemon cream Oreos, $2.88. Let's get 1 of those. And let's see, 12 pack. $12 packs are $3.33. I don't see a sale, so I'll get cream soda. Right. For chips, I'm gonna try I'm gonna try to find the best one. So I think I'm gonna get ew, nasty biscuits and gravy. Lays are disgusting looking. Ketchup, what are these? Sweet Southern Heat Barbecue. Yum. Lay's potato chips, cheddar, sour cream is what I'm going to get for sandwich and chip night. Now we're at $31.72 for our total. We're going to click checkout again. And for the part where we have to put our cart, I think I want to get this tier gravy also for beef and broccoli, because I think when you cook beef and broccoli, it tastes better if you put gravy over your beef tips. So yeah, I added that. I'm glad they put there at the end. And yeah, go back to checkout, continue to checkout, because I did need a pack of gravy. It's been 6 minutes. It took me that long to finish my order. So yeah, I didn't think it was gonna take that long. So it's delivering to my local store, and if we do it tomorrow, it's free pickup. And then that's pretty much how it goes. Me, I get up late, so 10 to 11 a.m. free pickup, or I don't care, 11 a.m. to 12 p.m. free pickup. You hit continue. And then this is where you add your debit or credit card information. And just because I'm curious, I'll put my name in here or whatever. I want to see what payment forms are available for people that are purchasing on a budget or using other methods such as gift cards. I see gift card is listed there. If you're using credit or debit cards, if you're using public assistance, can you order this way, because it is like a site to store type of thing. Looking at the payment methods, that is not listed because I do not see star cards listed here. So now I'm going to go ahead and exit this, and I'm going to go ahead and input my information off camera, and I'll be back. Okay people, what is up? I'm out. I changed my hair, as you can see, because I'm at the store and I wanted to. And I'm about to go to Publix and see if I can find my stuff. I was going to go to Walmart, but like I said, the site store or free grocery pickup is 24 hours, and I decided I didn't want to do that. It's the same price. I'm going to do comparison shopping in Publix because it's something really special that I wanted in here. At least it's in Thornbrook, and I know it's in Health Plantation, so I'm going to check our Publix here locally and see if I can find it. Okay, so I'm over here, right? Trying to figure out how I'm gonna do this. So let's see. I don't like beef stew anything. Au jus is like that sub dip stuff, and that's what I wanted to put on it, but I don't know if that goes together. So flavored gravy mixed with other natural flavor. So I think I'm gonna do I'm just gonna do this one. I'm gonna try it and see if it works. Either work or it don't. It's 79 cents. And I don't want to get too much stuff at all whatsoever, because things pretty much are what they are. Where is the ranch stuff? I don't see it at all whatsoever. But I got my chicken and dumplings. I got my gravy mix and 2 rice aronis, which are $1 extra, $1 more than it should be. Salad dressing aisle. It might be down here. Oh, I like these canisters. Aren't they cute? Anyways, sidetracked. I'm gonna make some beef and broccoli. I'm gonna do that for lunch one day, or dinner, whichever one. I'm not sure, but this is what I want right here. pack of ranch. They're $1.79, and they're a double package, I think. Nope, they're a single package. I don't know what. They're a double package at the freaking Walmart. So anyway, a pack of ranch, that should be enough. And because it's really strong, I think you fry it. I'm gonna fry it. I know you fry it first, and then you put the powder on after and shake it up really good. My broccoli and cheese rice and a jug of juice is what I need to get because we don't have a drink. And pretty much I'm getting my list, but I don't know. All this trouble for just one shopping list, guys. I'm in Hitchcock now. I have been everywhere. Either way, we're gonna get it done. So let's see. The best looking brownies up here are, I guess, the dark chocolate fudge. That's what I'm going with. They got the best price, $1.89. It's a shame, but I do it. I have to. Oh my God. Oh, yum, yum. Anyway, let me go. Okay, guys, so this is officially now a Publix haul. I wasn't able to get my stuff today at Walmart, and I kind of wanted to eat what I wanted to eat, so I jumpstart myself and went ahead and went to Publix and got some things that I really like off my list. I went with the jalapeno lays, the kettle cooked kind, because they're buy one get one free. The rice are running cheddar and broccoli. They're like 10 cents more, but they're okay. I got the dark chocolate fudge brownies. I got, again, chicken and dumplings for my Aprons crock pot meal cooking experience that I'm going through. I got my ranch powder, my au jus sauce powder for beef tips and broccoli, turkey for my sandwich and chips night, and a jug of juice, because I haven't had this flavor. Like, Publix makes juice that has this like weird taste that's really good. It actually tastes better than those Hawaiian punch jugs, so I got that one. So yeah, and again, I cannot wait for dessert because I'm gonna put that gelato on top of these brownies, and it's gonna be yum. So alright guys, thank you for watching. Guys, what I wanted to say about the Walmart grocery store, site to store, or grocery pickup is that it seems all fancy-fied and all nice and everything to go ahead and do that. And if you guys are not noticing, I'm pretty much a budget conscious person. Like, everything I do is budget. I like Aprons because I like HelloFresh. And Aprons is basically an example of HelloFresh for me because all the ingredients come in the box with it. So, and again, it's Aprons. That's why I'm doing that. I have very little patience, so maybe one day I will get the grocery store pickup thing down because I see a lot of people are using it, but it seems kind of inconvenient to do so. Publix always has something buy one get one free, so I'm using that. But I will go ahead and show you guys my process of how I went through my steps of doing my grocery store pickup. See ya. Also, Publix has it, so you never know.